Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, gagawa tayo ng super organic fertilizer. Tara, samahan niyo. How to make organic super fertilizer, that is flower inducer, fruiting fertilizer, promotes leaf growth and shiny leaves. This method is fast, easy, no-smell composting for beginners. What I am using is a recycled styro box, which is used to transport some ice cream, but you can use any containers that you have at home. Make sure that you put a hole in it because air circulation is very important in composting. A good compost consists of brown materials, which is the source of carbon, and other vegetable or kitchen waste, which is the source of nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and other minerals needed by the plant. To produce carbon, we can use brown materials such as leaves, straw, hay, and sawdust, and even papers or boxes, which are high in carbon that helps in breaking down your compost. Here, we also use dried guava leaves because it is the source of minerals such as calcium, potassium, sulfur, sodium, iron, magnesium, manganese, and vitamin C and B. Kitchen scraps or kitchen waste like banana peels, vegetable peels, and other plant cuttings are the sources of potassium and nitrogen. For faster compost, just cut it first in small pieces before you put it in your compost bin. Malunggay leaves and stem is a good source of vitamin A, B, C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc, amino acids, and protein. It is also considered as a superfood, so it is okay to put it in your compost bin. Eggshells. Putting eggshells in your compost is okay. They are a rich source of calcium and other essential nutrients that the plants need. Drying your shells allows them to crush more completely before you add them to your compost. Rice wash or rice water. The starches from the leftover rice water will help encourage the beneficial soil bacteria, while the vitamins and minerals will add small amounts of NPK, or nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to the soil. Procedure in making super fertilizer. Alternately layer the brown materials, kitchen waste, malunggay leaves, eggshells in the compost bin. For faster composting and absorption of nutrients, you can add garden soil in the mixture. Then, you can alternately layer again the brown materials, kitchen waste, malunggay leaves, and eggshells. Then finally, add the rice water. The most important things that breaks down your compost is the air and water. Make sure that your compost is always moist. So, ito na yung nagawa nating fertilizer. So, mag-wait tayo ng mga 4 to 5 weeks para makompose na siya talaga. So, ito hindi ito mabaho. So, nandito kami sa rooftop. Lagay ko lang siya dito. Okay. And then, tatakpan ko lang siya. So, yung cover, meron ding mga butas para magbilis siya mag-compose. So, yun. Balikan mo na lang siya after every week. Halu-haluin mo. And then, pagka medyo basa or tuyo na, babasain mo siya ulit. No? Mas maganda kung gagamitan mo ng rice water. So, meron tayo dito yung nagawa na last month. Ito yung natira na lang kasi yung iba nagamit na. So, para makatipid siya, gagawin na lang natin na fertilizer tea para malagyan yung iba-ibang. So, gamit itong rice water. Halo na lang natin yung rice water sa ating fertilizer. Kasi mahirap gumawa ng fertilizer. Kaya para makatipid, gagawa na lang tayo ng fertilizer tea. So, haluin natin yan. Haluin natin. Ito na ngayon yung ipangbibilog natin sa mga. Ayan, kaya sobrang bubulaklak ng mga halaman na yan kasi dahil sa super fertilizer. Lusog. This is Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching.